Yo, what's happening everybody? Welcome back to a vlog. I want to give a huge thank you guys for we passed the 300 sub mark. We're almost there at 400. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon just for all of you guys that are informed. As soon as we hit 400 subs, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I'll probably do an announcement later on in a different video when we're a bit closer to get everybody kind of like going. But yeah, so today is kind of just a regular day, nothing too crazy. I'm actually over here gonna be chilling with the homies. Probably gonna be installing a diffuser on one of my homies Q50, so I'll keep you guys up to date and we'll see what's up. Yo, that diffuser's sick. Sean just got new wheels. Hell yeah, out here with the homies.
The back is a little bit, but then the front button that
Just installed the diffuser. I'm installing right here. And Sean just got new wheels. New wheels.
This shit don't work.
Is that button code, bro?
Why isn't it fucking foaming? Can't buzz.
Why isn't it from?
You do it right? Did you add soap in it? Or water? Yeah. But then it just sucks probably.
Faster than 100. Can I get a 3.0? I want to feel the turbo life.
Is your diffuser? Carbon fiber?
I wish.
Wait. The hole will be right there. And this one will be right there. So it's gonna be like, I'm holding it where the holes are at right now.
Well, yeah, mine's gonna cover the toe a little bit.
Well, I mean,
Well, if you make the holes bigger,
yeah.
you can move down a little bit.
I thought it was gonna be flat. Well, the picture,
I thought it was gonna be like super like
the picture,
mad.
Yeah, the picture looked kind of. Actually, this is like polyurethane. This is like. That's how my lid came. This color.
That's how my first one came. The shitty one I bought.
It's from eBay.
Yeah, either.
It's not even that bad. From eBay.
When are we gonna fix you, bro? We got RTC like in high school.
So you want to do this then?
Nah, it's been a while since.
Yeah, you have to remember, Sean don't work on his cars.
Nah, I don't do that shit. That's what you guys are for.
Once a slave, never a slave again.
Exactly. I'm TJ. Before 1 million subs, I just don't do it.
Better than food. How much was it again? Like $100?
Make sure you get the bunk
Yeah.
fitment.
He's talking. Huh?
Said make sure you get the bunk fitment.
Fuck you guys. Why are you guys always like the bunk ass shit?
This side's pretty good.
Should a monster truck? Monster
I don't have
truck
a
50.
Dang. So I know this vlog's kind of mixed, but we out here, all the homies, just taking pictures. Just installed Sean's diffuser, and he just got wheels, so we're taking pictures of those too. Actually, it's pretty kind of known. If a few people here, we got another car over there.
Oh, there's kids here, I forgot.
So I'm taking pictures. I told him that his car looks low while he's inside. Get your ass back in. The car just raised a whole 2 inches. Get in there.
It made a huge difference. Get in there.
Get back in your car.
It made like I'm gonna do it. You get in the fucking car.
There was no gap before that.
I'm like.
What springs? Look at this. How many fingers is it? It's about 3 fingers. Oh wait, what the fuck, bitch? Don't do anything. No, do not. 3 fingers? All right, now get out. That was like 4 fingers. You do a finger.
Airlift.
Wait, I didn't take a picture.
Oh my god.
Look at this dumbass. Get back in the car.
No or
I'm
not?
pretending to take photos so he can stay his ass in there.
I'm gonna drive to the back seat.
Let's see how long he stays in
I
there.
can fucking hear you talking.
What are you doing?
Oh my god.
I'm almost done.
Oh my god, no, I'm done.
So I just wanted to apologize if everything's kind of like not making sense. I'm kind of just going along with everything. Don't really know what we're doing. We're just taking photos and stuff. Plus I got my dog with me. It's just like a handful of trying to record, take pictures, and then vlog as well. But yeah, I hope everything will come out kind of clear, but it's just hanging out for the day. What's up guys? So wasn't planning on picking up the camera, but the last vlog that I did wasn't fully completed. I thought I'd add this to that. So today I'm with the homie Michael. He actually got his car lowered today, but you can't really tell. But today we went to go pick up some banners that I got made done. I said that you got your car lowered, but you can't really tell.
It's lowered, but the wheel gap looks the same.
It's most likely because he's on 18s. He needs to get some bigger wheels. But here at his house, we're gonna be putting on the banners. So we started the banners, or this crew, back in like 2007, 2018, but we're just starting to get banners. So we're to see how they look on our cars, and then let me know what you guys think, if I should even like put some more and offer some for you guys. So right now we're just cleaning his windshield so we can put the stickers on. As you can see, there's still a wheel gap. He ended up going with TN, I think TN springs. I told him to go with RSRs because I have like 0 wheel gap. But then again, I'm on 20s and he's on 18, so that plays a factor too. So we're just figuring out the placement of where we want to put it.
I hope the sticker isn't the same as this one though, because this one gets filthy. Okay.
Oh, look at your head. Should have cleaned the top too, just in case.
Okay. That's the brake light.
Should I just put it on? Everything.
Fuck it. Fuck it, we going.
It's so windy, that thing is so slow. The other side's trying to pull off. Watch. The ladder you're doing right now.
That's probably why it came back like that.
Go do it again. Wait, where's the T?
T, I want in the middle.
Okay. Sleeping? Just add to it. Let's go. Who, David? The house? Who invited this? I don't know, he said he's gonna come get you right now. But who invited this guy? Spider-Man.
It's pizza time.
I don't want to put mine vertical though, like on the right side.
What was that?
Well, we'll see how it looks.
It looks bigger on Michael's than
This is more sense.
This looks off.
Ooh, I just dropped your car.
Get out.
What's up guys, so thank you for making it to the end of the video. I want to apologize, this video took so long to put out and I just kept putting it off and putting it off, but I'm going to be adding more videos soon. We're doing them once a week again, just like I have been doing. It just came off track for a little bit. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're going to be doing a 400 subscriber giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I'll be posting some details on my Instagram if you guys want to follow me. Link will be in the description. And I'm also probably going to be making a video talking about what the giveaway would be, and if there's anything that you guys will want it to be, go ahead and leave that in the comment what you think a good item would be for the giveaway. And stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.